brute force attack on login panel of web application. So in this video, what we are going to learn, first of all, I will show you that what is the meaning of brute force attack and how we can perform it and the explanation. So for that, I'm going to show you brute force attack on a login panel of a live website, right, that we generally use, the vulnweb.com provided by Qnetics company. So I'm going to use the sample or testing website for practical purpose. So do one thing, open Kali Linux operating system and open the browser of Kali Linux. So here I'm at Kali Linux operating system, and first of all open the browser of Kali Linux and open that sample website or testing website. So the testing website we generally use is vulnweb.com. Open this website and I'm going to use the PHP subdomain. This is the website, so click on the second one, testphp.vulnweb.com. click on sign up, and for example, if I want to perform brute force attack on this login page, right, I want to perform because I have a list of username and the password, and I want to try on this login page. How I can try? What is the procedure to perform brute force attack on this username and the password? That I'm going to show you here. First of all, I'm going to use a tool which is we already know, Burp Suite, right, inside Kali Linux, and by using Burp Suite I will perform brute force attack on this website. So without any delay, first of all minimize the browser, click on applications, right, and here you can click on web application analysis, and here is the Burp Suite. So open the Burp Suite. We are going to use Burp Suite, which is already available in Kali Linux operating system. So let's use it to perform brute force attack on that particular login page of the website. It is quite easy if you learn it. So click on next, start Burp, and it's a free edition. If you are working in a company, so you can purchase it if you want, but free version is still enough. Here it is. So this is the Burp Suite free edition, and click on proxy. So it is working on this proxy 127.0.0.1 8080. So we need to change the proxy settings of our website. So let me minimize Burp Suite, open the browser, and let me change it. The proxy settings, click on preferences, advanced settings, and click on manual proxy settings. Type the IP address here 127.0.0.1, type the port number 8080, tick here, use this proxies for all servers, and remove everything from here, no proxy for. Alright, click OK. Okay, so I think we have the same proxy inside our browser as well as inside the Burp Suite. Now here's the Burp Suite. So you can see here that Spider is available, scanner, intruder, repeater, sequencer, decoder, comparer. So all these options are available here. You can use it. All these options, doesn't matter. All right. Okay. So now what I need to do here, I need to basically capture a request from the website, right, so that I can use that parameter to perform brute force attack. So intercept, I need to on the intercept because it is already on. You can, if you click it, it will become off. If you click it, it will become on. So it is already on. Okay. Now open the website. Do one thing, type any wrong username and the password in the website and click on login button, right? Doesn't matter what you, for example, if I type the username is Sam and password is also, I'm typing Sam. All right, because I have no idea what is the username and the password, so I'm typing a wrong username and password so that I can create a query and click on login. Obviously it will not run because proxy is running in your browser, but I think Burp Suite will catch it. So click on HTTP history, and you can see here that in URL area you can see userinfo.php is available, right? So click on that, userinfo.php. here are the details, and here you can see that username and the pass is available here, Sam, which we have basically put in the login box. So I got the query, right, that I needed. Do one thing, right click here and send it to intruder. Click on intruder. Now intruder is in orange color, so you can see the click on positions inside intruder, and here you can see this is our request which we have intercepted from the web browser. So you can see here that two areas are highlighted, one is uname and one is pass, so we need this only. If others are highlighted, then try to remove that. Attack type, so I need to click on cluster bomb, right? We need to select cluster bomb here. Okay, everything is set here. Now click on payload. So you can see here that payload set is 1 for username, second for password. So either you can add it one by one, or you can also provide any file from here for username list, right? For example, if I type 4 or 5 username, random username, the right username and the password is test, right? So we already know that username and the password is test, right one, but we want to try if this works or not. So for example, let me type one by one, admin, click add, root, click add, guest, click add, and finally let me type the right one, which is test. Now we want to check that if burp suite works or not in brute forcing. Alright, so 4 in the username. Now select 2, right, and type the password. So again I'm typing the same, root, and anything you can type, John, Sam, and the final one is test. You can put test anywhere, doesn't matter. Alright, so one are selected, one for username list is already there, and password list is already there. Everything is set now. Now you can click on start attack, right? Here you can click on start attack. Let me click on that and click OK. It will open up a new window, and here it will perform brute force attack one by one. It will take one username, then password, then another username and the password, and it will provide you the status that this is correct or incorrect. So we just need to wait until it performs brute force completely. Let me drag it down. So now it is going to complete here, and it will provide us the right username and the password. Alright, so you can see here that this is the window, and it has been finished. You can see here that this is the username, this is the password. How we can check that which combination is right? By using status. So you can see the status carefully. All are using 302. Can you see any difference here? Here it is. So this is the difference. It is using 200. 200 means this combination is correct. 302 means this combination is not correct. So you can see finally it has provided you information that this username and this password is correct. Test is the right username and the password of the login page of the website. So that's how you can perform brute force attack on any login page using Burp Suite. Alright, so this is a simple example that how you can perform brute force attack on the login panel. I hope you have learned. So this is all about brute force attack, and in the next video we are going to learn about local file inclusion attack on web application. Thank you so much for your time.